Like, this last time we were outside, it was.
It's out of 4 bucks.
That's cool. It's gonna make a good Twitter video. Just kidding. Dude, oh my gosh.
Man.
Probably better.
There's
if
no
you
way.
Turned around, but I guess it's too late.
There's no way, dude. Oh. You're already like halfway there, right? Yeah.
Dude, there's nothing like a place to drop off after that.
Liam, you're a G.
Liam!
There's more stairs over here to your left, but you
Yeah.
gotta turn around so you can swing your leg down.
Alright, just jump for it.
No! Ah!
Oh wow, that wasn't even that big.
Parkour. No, parkour. Parkour.
Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. This was a little bit of a weird way to start a video. I was slept in for a long time and my girlfriend woke me up and we just went on that little trip to that Red Rock Park and that was a lot of fun. So we're actually gonna do the pot stickers dumplings today and they're gonna come over and make those soon. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and get ready for the day and then I'll go ahead and get some footage of that.
Sounds like you got it all together.
Hold it.
And then we'll be good. And you've got your helper,
DH.
Caviar.
Is the glue.
Okay.
And so you can either take a spoon to take it out or just use your hand. And so you take one skin, and then you take how much, no matter how much meat you want. Don't put too much, or you can have to like fold it to hit the dumpling. So I do like this, and so you use your finger to dip some water, and like this around. Put it around the edge of the skin. And then you fold it. Like this. And you will just stick it. Pinch it. Then make a dumpling.
Alright.
Awesome.
Then what? So, and then yeah, we should have something to like put it, you know, yeah, a plate or something.
No, you see, because I thought you wanted to just eat it as is. And I'm like,
You judging me or someone else?
quiet. This is a peaceful dumpling making.
Jordan, did Callie bite you already?
Like, oh no, she wasn't at home. She was at the White's house. Like, but yes, all those marks are from Kelly.
Yeah. She didn't bite me while I was serious.
Hey, Kat.
It's not like a calzone.
What's happening?
Hey!
Christian, these are really good.
Alright guys, so we just finished eating the dumplings. They were really, really good. Really, very tasty, and we're just watching some college football. I'm taking out the garbage again. But it was a lot of fun to eat it with their family and stuff, so I think next we're gonna maybe go out to eat somewhere. I know they also want to see a different movie, and then oops, what else do they want to do? I can't remember. I know we want to try to go to this like mini golfing thing. I guess we'll see what happens. I'll do another update once I figure it out, because I don't remember exactly off the top of my head right now. But it's just been a lot of fun this morning doing that, and then we're just waiting for the BYU Utah game to start at 8 p.m. and we'll be occupied doing stuff till then. Here we got some midday scenery. This is kind of what it looks like around 1 o'clock here. Very, very nice outside. Really good weather. I know it's snowing in like Salt Lake and stuff right now, so it's really nice to be down here.
Righteous indignation from
Yeah,
their belief as well. Right here. He's here.
Oh, you know, I'm getting some video action for the vlog. Alrighty, so we just got back from eating at Blackbird Diner, and we also went to this fun little decor store, which is really cool. So the rest of the time should be chill. We're not dealing with any more family, so we're gonna go swimming right now, and then we're just gonna like hang out and play games until the BYU Utah game starts. So right now we'll just be heading to the pool. Alrighty guys, so we just got back from swimming. That was a lot of fun. We went to the hot tub, we went down some water slides, all that good stuff. So I think now we might try to like play the Switch a little bit, might do some like Mario Party, Mario Kart, and then I think that we're probably gonna go get dinner too pretty soon, and we're just still anticipating the BYU Utah game, so that should be coming up real soon. I'm gonna get changed real fast and see what footage I can get.
Yeah! Let's go, dude!
Yeah, that's a good cap for the vacation. For the pit of despair.
Yeah!
Alrighty guys, so yeah, we just watched that intense BYU versus Utah game. That's one of the greatest comebacks ever I've seen in a football game. That was really, really awesome. And we got some ice cream and watched that, and I was just playing my Switch while watching the game a little bit, and just enjoyed the rest of the evening with the family. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. It's like 12:20 now, and I gotta pack in the morning, and then I have to you know, obviously we gotta get ready to leave. We're gonna leave sometime after 11, and that should be crazy. And I'll just go ahead and give my conclusions tomorrow about it. So, alrighty guys, I'll see you guys later.